Tuesday. His birthday was on Wednesday. Sorry. See.
Both were doomed.
Elizabeth from
Both would die.
Blacklist. She just died, and Red is having like
either save one,
bro,
or lose both.
I've never seen him so vulnerable.
I chose the child. It was the worst thing I've ever had to do in my life.
Oh my God.
I was arrogant. I presumed that there was an order to things, that if I nourished and protected and taught the child, she would be safe and happy.
Hey guys, good evening. It's like really late, honestly.
Yeah, welcome back to another Vlogtober. Girl, this shit is hard. I try to vlog every single day. No ma'am, not working. I'm about to wash my face. Bro, get it together. We'll see. Well, how have you guys been doing? You guys, I had a call with my friend. Don't fall. Fell. Okay. I had a call with my friend this evening, and it was just like, bro, let's just say that I'm sorry. Let's just say that God has been doing the most to me. I mean, in more ways than one, I asked for it, but it's like, really, nigga? You gotta do it like that? So yeah, so it's just been like a lot. Well, honestly, I wouldn't have been able to make it this past month without him, because, bro, life has been lifing. Well, I'm so grateful. You know, I feel like in more ways than one, he has been answering my prayers, not in the way I would like it, but nonetheless he has. So but I don't know if you guys see me. I swear to God, this tripod thing is not cute. Yeah. So I'm definitely working towards something else. Like, I don't plan to be in paid employment forever, because like that's just not the vibe. But you know, I'm working on my career as a makeup artist, as well as something else that I'm working on, but it's like in the back burner till it's ready to be served. Okay, so what I need, you know, I mean, I don't hate my job as a PM. Like, if I could do it like remote with a company that actually gets the job description, because probably don't, that would be like cool. Like, I mean, I like the, you know, working with people. I don't like it, and you know, it's like, it's whatever, you know. But I'm just like, but yeah. Girl, tell me why I have my towel all the way over there. Hold on. Like, I pray that this weekend is, hi. I pray that this weekend is actually like productive, and you know, I get to do a lot done. What else? Honestly, I don't have much to do now. I'm just going to keep editing this vlog, and I probably end the vlog tomorrow when I have much more things to do. Oh my god, yesterday, no, not yesterday. Yesterday was the 15th, eh? Yeah, 13th. Yesterday was my daddy's birthday. I bought his gift on Tuesday. His birthday was on Wednesday. Sorry. See, today is Friday, Abby. His birthday was on Thursday, which is yesterday. So I got his gift on Wednesday. That's right. I got him AirPods. So I'm just like happy, and I hope he likes it. I ordered it on Jumia. I don't think they have not gotten to him yet, because if they have, I would have known, but they haven't. So yeah. So we grind for the money with God's blessings, so we can buy more gifts for people we love. Her. On that note, girl, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, okay? Peace.